Today we're diving into 15 kitchen gadgets that will genuinely make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. These aren't unitasker gimmicks that clutter drawers. These are well-designed tools that solve real cooking problems and earn their space in your kitchen. Let's get into it. Number 15. OXO Good Grips Box Grater. This grater seems basic, but the engineering is exceptional. Professional kitchens rely on quality graters because they understand the difference. The sharp, etched stainless steel grates effortlessly without the arm-killing resistance of cheap graters. The non-slip base keeps the grater stable during use, preventing the wobbling that makes grating dangerous. The comfortable handle provides control and leverage, reducing fatigue. Reviews consistently mention grating cheese and vegetables faster with less effort than ever before. The multiple grating surfaces handle coarse, medium, and fine textures, plus slicing, giving you options for different recipes. The snap-on container catches grated food, eliminating the mess of cheese flying everywhere. Number 14. Anova Culinary Precision Cooker. This immersion circulator brings sous vide cooking to home kitchens with the results that seem impossible. The precise temperature control cooks food perfectly every time, eliminating the guesswork that ruins expensive proteins. Your steak comes out edge to edge, medium rare, something absolutely impossible with traditional cooking methods. Reviews mention never overcooking expensive cuts again because the water bath holds exact temperatures for hours. The app provides thousands of recipes with exact time and temperature, taking the experimentation out of cooking. The clamp attaches to any pot, meaning you don't need special equipment. The quiet pump circulates water evenly, ensuring every part of your food cooks identically. The foolproof nature allows complete beginners achieving expert results immediately. Number 13. Microplane Premium Zester. This razor-sharp grater zests citrus and grates hard cheeses with minimal effort, making tasks that used to be tedious almost enjoyable. The ultra-sharp teeth cut cleanly without tearing fruit or clogging with cheese, creating fluffy piles instead of clumpy chunks. The comfortable handle provides excellent control, preventing the hand cramping that cheap zesters cause. Reviews praise the efficiency compared to budget zesters that require multiple passes and serious elbow grease. The stainless steel construction is dishwasher safe and maintains sharpness through years of use. Professional chefs demonstrate grating Parmesan into delicate clouds that melt instantly on hot pasta. The versatility handles garlic, ginger, nutmeg, chocolate, and anything else needing fine grating. Number 12. Lodge Cast Iron Skillet. This pre-seasoned cast iron skillet provides even heating and develops natural non-stick surfaces, over time becoming more valuable the longer you own it. Traditional cookware demonstrated cast iron lasting generations with proper care. The heat retention sears steaks perfectly, creating restaurant-quality crust. The oven-safe construction allows stovetop-to-oven techniques, opening cooking methods impossible with other pans. Reviews include skillets inherited from grandparents still performing excellently after decades of use. The versatility handles frying, sautéing, baking, and even campfire cooking, making it the most adaptable pan in your kitchen. Proper seasoning maintenance is simple, requiring only oil and heat. Number 11. KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. This iconic stand mixer handles heavy mixing tasks, freeing your hands for other prep work while producing superior results. The powerful motor kneads bread dough effortlessly for 10 minutes straight without straining. The planetary mixing action reaches all bowl areas, ensuring even incorporation impossible with hand mixing. Reviews mention decades of reliable performance, with mixers still running strong after 20 years. The attachments expand functionality to pasta making, meat grinding, and vegetable spiralizing, turning one appliance into an entire kitchen. Number 10. Thermapen 1 Instant Read Thermometer. This professional thermometer reads temperatures in 1 second with laboratory accuracy, eliminating all guesswork from cooking proteins. The instant reading means you're not standing there with the oven open waiting for numbers to stabilize. The accuracy within half a degree ensures both safety and quality, hitting perfect doneness every time. Reviews from serious home cooks mention this single tool changing their cooking completely. The waterproof construction survives the inevitable kitchen accidents and sink drops. The auto-rotating display is readable from any angle, preventing awkward wrist twisting. The backlight works in any lighting, including looking into dark ovens. The magnetic back mounts to grills or fridges, keeping it accessible. This premium thermometer eliminates overcooked chicken and undercooked pork, making every protein perfect. Number 9. XO Good Grips Salad Spinner. This salad spinner dries greens efficiently, creating crispy salads and preventing the soggy dressing disaster that ruins salads. Wet lettuce dilutes dressings, turning vinaigrettes into watery messes. The pump mechanism spins forcefully, removing water in seconds. The brake button stops spinning instantly, preventing overspinning. Reviews mention salads staying crisp for days when properly dried before storage. The basket doubles as a colander-saving drawer space. The bowl serves as a serving bowl, eliminating extra dishes. Meal prep guides show washing and storing greens lasting a full week when properly dried. The non-slip base prevents the spinner walking across counters during use. The dishwasher-safe parts clean easily. Number 8. Victorinox Fibrox Chef's Knife. This professional-grade chef's knife costs a fraction of luxury knives while performing comparably in every test. The high-carbon stainless steel holds edges while requiring only occasional sharpening. The ergonomic handle provides excellent control, reducing hand fatigue during long prep sessions. Reviews from professional chefs mention using these in commercial kitchens alongside knives costing 10 times more. The blade geometry allows efficient rocking motion and smooth slicing through vegetables. Knife skill development requires reliable, sharp knives that behave predictably. The maintenance requires only occasional honing with a steel to maintain the edge. The NSF certification means it meets commercial kitchen standards for safety and sanitation. This essential tool performs the majority of kitchen cutting tasks when maintained properly. Number 7. Cuisinart Food Processor. This food processor handles chopping, slicing, shredding, and pureeing in seconds, replacing tedious knife work. Professional kitchens use these for making pesto, hummus, and salsa in quantities impossible by hand. The powerful motor processes tough ingredients like nuts and hard vegetables effortlessly. The multiple discs provide slicing and shredding options with consistent results. Reviews mention food prep time dropping from hours to minutes for big meals. The large capacity handles meal prep quantities, making a week of salsa in 5 minutes. The even consistent chopping is impossible to achieve by hand, no matter your knife skills. The pulse control allows precise texture control from chunky to smooth puree. The dishwasher-safe parts clean easily. This workhorse tool replaces the tedious knife work that makes cooking feel like a chore. Number 6. Nordic Ware Natural Aluminum Baking Sheet. This commercial-grade baking sheet provides even heating and durability that cheap pans cannot match. Professional bakeries use heavy aluminum because it distributes heat evenly, preventing the hot spots that burn cookies. The rimmed design contains juices and prevents spills in the oven. Reviews mention these lasting decades, with proper care, never warping or deteriorating. The natural finish develops patina over time, actually improving performance. Cookie recipes show perfectly even browning, with no dark edges and pale centers. The reinforced edges prevent the warping that ruins cheap pans after 6 months. The standard half-sheet size fits most home ovens. This fundamental tool improves all baking and roasting by providing consistent, predictable heating. Number 5. Joseph Nest Bowls. These nesting bowls stack compactly, saving tremendous cabinet space while providing complete functionality. Kitchen organization experts feature these constantly because they solve the bowl storage nightmare. The set includes mixing bowls, colanders, sieve, and measuring cups, all nesting into one compact unit. The non-slip bases keep bowls stable during vigorous mixing, preventing spinning. Reviews praise the space savings in small kitchens where cabinet space is precious. The measurement markings eliminate separate measuring cups for many tasks. Efficient prep requires organized, accessible tools. The dishwasher-safe materials clean easily. The bright colors allow quick identification, grabbing the right tool instantly. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo. This multi-cooker pressure cooks, slow cooks, sautés, steams, and makes yogurt in one appliance, replacing half your kitchen. Entire recipe collections exist dedicated to this single device. The pressure cooking reduces cooking times, dramatically making pot roast in 45 minutes instead of 3 hours. The programmable settings allow walking away during cooking, eliminating the constant monitoring traditional cooking requires. Reviews mention using this daily replacing slow cookers, rice cookers, and even ovens. The stainless steel pot is durable and dishwasher safe. Restaurant quality meals happen in under an hour with minimal active cooking time. The keep warm function maintains temperature for hours until you're ready to eat. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 3-piece cutting board set. These cutting boards include different sizes with non-slip edges, preventing the dangerous sliding that causes knife accidents. Professional kitchens emphasize cutting board quality because they're the foundation of all prep work. The juice grooves contain liquids from meat and fruit, preventing counter messes. The dishwasher-safe material sanitizes, thoroughly eliminating bacteria concerns. Reviews mention durability through years of daily cutting without warping or cracking. The color coding prevents cross-contamination, keeping raw meat bacteria away from vegetables. Food safety protocols demonstrate proper board usage, preventing illness. The non-porous surface resists bacteria absorption, unlike wood boards. Number 2. All-Clad D3 Stainless Steel Fry Pan. This professional quality fry pan provides exceptional even heating and durability that makes it a lifetime purchase. Culinary schools explain why quality pans matter more than most home cooks realize. The tri-ply construction with aluminum core eliminates hot spots that burn food in cheap pans. The stainless interior develops fond the browned bits that create incredible pan sauces. Reviews include pans decades old still performing perfectly, unlike non-stick that degrades. The oven-safe construction allows starting on stovetop and finishing in oven. Proper stainless steel technique produces non-stick performance when used correctly. Number 1. Breville Smart Oven Air. This countertop oven takes the top spot by replacing full-size ovens for most cooking while adding air frying, convection, and precise temperature control. Kitchen experts call this the ultimate countertop appliance, combining multiple functions flawlessly. The Element IQ technology adjusts heating elements for different functions, optimizing each cooking method. The air frying produces crispy results, rivaling deep frying without oil. Reviews mention rarely using full-size ovens after buying this because it handles everything faster and better. The convection ensures even cooking, eliminating the hot spots of conventional ovens. Recipe developers create entire cookbooks specifically for this appliance. The compact size suits small kitchens, while the interior handles surprising capacity. The toast function is the best available.